I'm what you're looking at, and this is my Airsoft gun collection, of my handguns. First off, the 357 revolver comes with 6 bullets, and it shoots at 300 feet per second, all metal except the handle, ABS plastic. My second gun is the Model 1911 spring action handgun. I have 3 clips for it. They all hold 12 bullets each, and it shoots a 325. My third handgun, you might have seen it from Walmart. It shoots at 275 feet per second, and the clip holds 10 in the clip, and it holds about 100 in the reservoir. And my fourth and final handgun, my favorite, the TSD M92F CO2 handgun. I have a light on it. Comes with 1 clip, it holds about 15 bullets, and it shoots a trusty 375 feet per second. And it's all metal including the clip. I would suggest that gun over any of these. And I got it for about $25 off eBay. Hope you enjoyed it. I have more videos coming up soon on all my air guns. Peace.